So I'm in Las Vegas. Actually, surprisingly, found a place I don't think I've been before. I was like, there's no way I haven't been there. But then I got there and I'm not mistaken. I've never been here. So Paradise Valley Antique Mall, here I come. What is this funny little guy? Is it a bartender pitcher? Looks like it, yeah. Cute. Oh my gosh, how fantastic. I love these so much. 14, that's probably about what I'd get for that too. Those don't sell for as much as you would think, unless they're super, oh my gosh, that's neat. Unless they're super risque or odd. This is cute. Yellowstone Forest Bank 22. Yeah, this all is about retail. How neat. I've never seen this Seesaw figurine. Bracelets. That's kind of cool. That's neat too. There's a couple vintage ones in here, but nothing that's really screaming for me. This is very cool though. I'm not even showing it. What? This is Josef's Originals music box sitting here at $12. What? Is it broken? I don't understand. I don't want to mess with it though. I know that's really a fabulous thing and it would probably do really well, but I don't know. I'm not in the mood for this one for today. Sorry. No shortage of kitchen stuff in this booth. This is neat. Love the vibe in here. I think the strawberry so far is my favorite. At $11.50, that's close. This clock is pretty epic too. I love the font on that. These never sell for as much as I think they do. I always look them up when I see them for relatively less. Oh my gosh, look at this little lamb figurine. $3.50. Well, we have to get that. That's adorable. What about this weird camel thing? I'm not sure about him. He's only at $4, but I like the lamb, I think. This is more my speed. Let's see if we can find anything else in here. Like the Mexican bird. That's kind of neat. That's only at $5. What's going on with her? $5.50. That's probably like Taiwan. I love this thing so much. Geico Bank. That's really fun. I love that South Dakota apron. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wait, I know everyone's like, you just moved a pincushion. $8.50. That's not bad. It's probably pretty close to what I'd get. $6, and it's new. That's one of the reasons why I moved it. I was pretty sure it was new. It looked like Repop. These are cute. $5. I like the little top hat guy, which is funny because I normally don't go for those. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's fun. California Pottery girl. And she's kind of unique, and she's only $5. I actually think I'm gonna pick this one up. Yeah, she's neat. All right, well, I also can't help but notice this little bell. That is so cute, $5. I don't know how well she'd do in the little deer thermometer. It's only $6.50. Kangaroo ashtray, very neat. Oh my gosh, look at these bears just married. Those are hilarious. Ooh. Okay, the baker's cute, but look at this seashell vase. That's at $6.50. Now, the only thing about this is I'm nervous about it being in my hot car for a long time. Should I risk it? Even I had another casualty of my trip, my hamburger purse fell apart. Everything I own is falling apart. I don't know. I'm a little nervous about that. Wait. Another whirly. I've had these a bunch. Yeah, I feel like this booth deserves another look. And I'm trying to stay away from the old casino ashtrays unless they have like a really good graphic. Because I used to pick them up all the time and they kind of died off a little for me. What are we gonna find in here? What's the price on that? This is locked. Of course it's locked. What's the price on? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's so much good stuff in here. I just want to see at least like one price. Oh, 65. This looks like it's gonna be a spendy booth. Yep, 30 for the little bone china cats. Oh, killing me. 26. Oh my gosh, so neat. What about that Scotty dog? I'm so curious. That one's at okay, so 28. I'm gonna see if there's a discount in this booth. Oh my gosh, look at the fish back there. Oh my gosh, the little decanters. Oh my gosh, look at all the bathing beauties. So it looks like this case is as marked. It's really hard to read a lot of the prices on this. Oh my gosh, I want to know how much that is so bad. I hate that they flip all the price tags around. It's really obnoxious. So that one's at 75. So that kind of gives us a good idea of what we're working with. Oh, I love her so much. I just have to know for my own peace of mind, I think. Let's see what else we need to look at when I ask them to get the key. Oh my gosh, so fantastic. But I really hate that they have every single price tag hidden. It's like, come on, dude. See, and like this is only 35, which seems reasonable enough. Look at the little decanter set with the shot glasses. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the nurse's outfit was 165. Uniform, excuse me. And the little Joseph originals, nice. Nuns. All right. Where is that nice lady? I think I'm gonna have to get her to open this just for my own peace of mind, if nothing else. Well, there's a couple little weird knickknacks in this box as well. Okay, first of all, I'm looking at this ballerina match safe. That's amazing, but 25 is probably too close. But they have the talking teeth. Oh my gosh, those are so fun, the old ones. But I was actually looking at this little dog treat box. That's super cute. And the owl stamp and save book. Oh my gosh, wait, look at the little Matchbox with the stars on it. I think that looks like it's ceramic or enamel, and that's at $6. I'm also like weirdly into the gum wrappers, so I think I'm gonna get into this case as well. Yeah, there's some little weird stuff in here. And I'm a big fan of little weird stuff. Let's see what else they have in here. What? Now this is what I was looking for. So neat. I love all the new old stock. Oh, we're gonna have to get in here because, yeah, they got all kinds of stuff. Oh my gosh, the coasters. What's in here? Oh, what is that? The hair nuts? Oh my gosh. Okay. Cheese, please. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my god, the little makeup tins. Oh, yes, 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 yes. We need a lot of this. Well, I spent almost a solid 45 minutes going through that case with the nice lady, and I picked out a ton of incredible smalls. Most are probably just going to be in buy it nows or filling gaps in my upcoming whatnots. I will do anything I showed in the video, of course, in the whatnot sale that is together with this video, but anything else I'm just gonna do at random. I think I spent like 150 bucks in that case, but I got like a whole box of tinies and hankies and new old stock and just things with super epic graphics on it. It was awesome. Speaking of awesome, there's Mary Mushroom, the whole canister set and napkin holder for $7.20. Just kidding, that said $120. And I love the bookends. These are neat. I've seen these before. I like the one that's like the Gustav Klimt. Ooh. Well, of course, this is the first thing I see. Honeycomb black cats, $5 sold. Oh my gosh, how cute. 1980s Girl Scout patches. I don't know how well that would do, although that one alone is adorable. Wait, what's happening here? $7 for all of these? Don't mind if I do. Look at these old letters, that's fun. I love that. I feel like, wait, what is this? No, not what I thought it was. I feel like, what is the greeting card situation? I don't feel like messing with cards right now. I just did so many teeny tiny things. Wildwood, New Jersey, yeah, maybe? 4 queens. That's neat. I think I'm just gonna take the little Halloween honeycombs. Now, let me put these underneath my arm so I can continue. I love this. The llama, little Llama Owl. Let's see, they've gotten some, I've found some really unique, oh, the frog. You know, that fabulous one I got with the lashes in Arizona. Unfortunately, it was a casualty of that stupid wind at the Airbnb I was staying at. This is so neat. Department 56, I love that so much, but I can't do anything with that at 45. Let's see what else we have in here. Really pretty. What's that bag? It's kind of fabulous. I think it's newer than I wanted it to be though. These are so Rachel, that's so funny. And I love this little camo suit thing. Wondering if I need anything from this booth. Oh my gosh. 40 with 25% off. Oh, I'm so afraid I break those. Curious and curious. Grapes. Big old grapes. Let's see. The jewelry doesn't really look like my thing. Starting to lose steam. I have a 4-hour drive back to Bakersfield. Well, I shouldn't say back to. I've actually never been there. Okay, crazy, crazy, crazy doll booth. There's a lot going on in here. At first, I thought it was just Barbies, and upon second look, looks like there's a couple random vintage ones mixed in here, so I'm giving it a better look over, like Miss Sunrise America. I've never seen that actually. So cute. Of course, we love that Pose doll, but she's at 60, even with the discount. That's a little extreme, especially because she's the, I mean, at least for me, because I'm reselling, and she is the Korean ones, which I feel like don't sell for as much as the ones made in Japan. I almost just knocked that basket over, in case you were wondering what I was lingering on. But okay, bear, are they all the same? I think it's all the same. Just random bears. I thought they were gonna be a whole thing of cats at first, but it's just bears. No offense, bears. I just have to know what this is. Pence cat. Huh. Really interesting looking. I might look that up. I've never seen that before. I'm just unfamiliar with the maker more than anything. So 2 things. One, I realized I have seen those. They just look different. They were like white. Now I'm seeing this booth. I've almost reached the end. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot of rare stuff in here. I don't see a discount booth. The Hold Howard Bunny Angels, 85. So this is actually what I'm going for. I'm obsessed with these books. I've never seen them before. They're $11 each. I kind of don't even care what they sell for. I'm gonna look them up, but I kind of want them anyway because they're amazing. Do you believe in magic and do you ever feel lonely? The graphics alone are just to die for. So that's about retail, but I'm gonna look at them anyway because I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, this turtle at $8. He's fantastic. We kind of need him. Love anything with the tongue out. I love the seahorses, the trivet. Look at this one. Chicken today, feathers tomorrow. Sold $7, made in Japan. Let's see. Love these trays. Oh my gosh, is this a cucumber dish? Love that, but at 12, that's a little, oh my gosh, the little strawberry. I don't usually go for strawberry shortcake, but that is cute. Strawberry shortcake's usually pretty expensive around me too, and I don't know enough about it. This is fun. Lots of fun stuff. Oh my gosh, look at those trays. Let's see, I love this bowl so much, but 23, I can't do anything with that. Oh, I love the snowman toilet seat cover. Oh, butterfly. What is, oh, it's just flowers. A lot going on here. A lot to like, but wait, how did I miss this? Mushroom plaque. It's a little sloppy. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I'm not so sure about that. It's cute, but it's more than I'd like to have invested in it, especially with the size. It would cost me a lot to pack and ship that the way I want to. Oh, I was saying the mushroom is a little sloppy for me at 14. That's probably about what I would start that at, 14. Yeah. But wait, look at this sewing basket. It's really fun. How much is it? 18. Strawberry shortcake fabric. What? $20. Oh, it's sheets. Fun, but I don't know. I'm tired. I don't think I'm shopped out. I'm picking up strawberry shortcake bed sheets. I think that's a good sign that I need to call it. Well, I did get that Do You Ever Feel Lonely book. I think I'm gonna keep it, but oh my gosh, how did I almost miss this at $9 and 20% off? I'm ashamed of myself. Well, actually, it's like hidden in a nook that's like not attached. I'm getting this for sure. Hold on. Well, I didn't get out easy. There's a couple things in here that are way too rowdy to show. This is really funny. The original rag, this one's $12, but it's like a vintage gag pad, which is amazing. But I can't show you what's in here because I will get banned from the internet if I do. It's $25, and just know it's worth every penny. This one's pretty wild too. This one's at 20. I don't know how much more I could get. This is really incredible, but I don't know about this one. Well, I kind of overdid it a little bit, and I stayed way later than I was supposed to. I was supposed to leave an hour ago. So I spent like $286 in there. I got something really, really special that I'm gonna keep for a while and sell at some point, and something for my boyfriend, and a bunch of fun treats for you guys. And now I'm gonna take the 4-hour and 18-minute drive to Bakersfield and call it a night. Hopefully I can sleep tonight because that is something I have not done. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.